Hey, what's going on guys? Miller Brady here and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best online business for beginners in 2019. So stay tuned. And before I go on to the video, on this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online. So basically working from home. So if you're interested on those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So this is the best online business that you can start in 2019 if you're a total newbie, if you're a total beginner, which means you have no idea about online business, you have no idea what it takes to really make money online. So this is, guys, let me introduce you to the general marketer. I've started online business in 2018, right, just last year, and it's been very confusing for me, very challenging for me, because in online business, right, in affiliate marketing, especially in affiliate marketing, there are a lot of ways for you to actually do the business, right? You can, and there's a lot of traffic source, there's a lot of products out there, there's a lot of teachers and gurus out there and that are selling their courses that teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer, right, or how to start an online business. The problem with that is that because there's a lot of ways that you can actually do your online business, right? So that will make that got people confused, right? And because and the worst part is that you won't have any coach that will actually help you along the way. And if you want to have a coach, you will actually have to pay more for that, right? So that's why people, when you're starting an online business, people are confused and they're all over the place and they won't get result that way, and then they just quit before they even realize the result of their hard work. So that's why legendary marketer created this 15-day challenge, so that after this 15 days, right, after this 15-day challenge, you will know the nuts and bolts, the ABC, the step 1, step 2, step 3 on actually how you can be successful, or how you can build a sustainable online business, right, in the comfort of your own home, right? So that's what I love about David Sharp, because David Sharp has generated over 200 million sales in on online business, and so he definitely knows what it takes to be really successful in affiliate marketing, and he knows the nuts and bolts, and he knows the step 1 and step 2, right? Um, so what I love of this 15-day challenge, right? Because each day has a specific and unique training that you will undergo, right? And you can't just come here, sit in, and unlock all 15 days. You cannot do that. It's not designed that way. It's designed that each training is going to be unlocked on the next day and on the next day, right? So that's what I love about it. So that way you will undergo the process, the step by step, so that you won't get confused, and you won't you definitely, you will know, right? You will know what to do and how to do it, right? So that's what I love with Ninja Market. And also, and the best part, guys, this is free. So I should have started with that. This is free, and this is our way to give back to the community, right? So this is free. This 15-day challenge is free. So you don't need to buy any other online marketing course out there, right? You don't there's no need for you to, because everything you need to learn to know how to be successful online is here on this free 15-day challenge. And another good part about this 15-day challenge is that a coach will be assigned to you to help you along the way. So that's one I advise you guys. If you're gonna join me on this 15-day challenge, right, get in touch with your coach. Make it a priority to book an appointment with that coach, so that he will be able to guide you on what to do next, right? And he will be able to customize everything, the business plan, on your specific needs, right? And guys, the coaches that are going to be assigned to you are 6 to 7 figure earners. So they're just not any other marketer out there. They're actually the one. They are actually successful online, and they're going to be assigned to you to help you along the way. And guys, if you're going to hire a coach, you're going to pay 500 or more than that, an hour of their time, right? And that's crazy because on this 15th, which is free, you're gonna get one assigned to you. So that's what I love this about this. Actually, I can recommend you any other courses that I took about affiliate marketing or online business, but this is so awesome that it's because it's free and it's for 15 days, right? So I really love this, so that's why I really recommend this. If you're a total beginner, if you're a total newbie, like if you don't know how everything works, the nuts and bolts, the nooks and crannies of how to build an online or successful or a sustainable online business, right? So I invite you to join me on this 15-day challenge. The link will be on the description down below. It's totally free. If you want to make your 2019 to be the best year ever, if you want to create that financial freedom for your family, if you want to definitely, or if you're already an online marketer and you're struggling, how to really to work on your business, right? So I invite you to join this 15J channel. It's totally free. There's no sales, and there's no sales here. There's no credit card, right? You don't need to sign up with a credit card, right? Just make sure just you undergo the process, the step one to the day one to day five, and get in touch with your coach, right? It's totally free. The subscription will be down. The link to join will be in the description down below. Alright guys, so I hope you get value from this video. If you do, let me know on the comment section down below. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. There's going to be a lot of connecting with me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or here in YouTube. You can contact me anywhere you want it. Right? I'll be also putting on my phone number there. You can text me or call me if you have any questions, right? You can totally reach me, and I will I'm definitely, well, I am glad to help you right along the way. Right, guys? So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.